Hey, are you a crawlspace and foundation repair expert that does jobs like this right here? Encapsulations, pier and beam work, any type of sump pump, dehumidifier issue, or anything like that. If this work right here is the kind of work that you do under people's houses in damp spaces, there's a lot of moisture, there's probably bugs, we're the marketing company for you. We have proven results in getting crawlspace and foundation repair jobs, cracks in the foundation, we get jobs for that. Pier and beam work, we get jobs for that. Encapsulations, sump pumps, dehumidifiers. Like I said, if this is the kind of work that you do in people's crawl spaces that most other people don't like to do, if you're a crawlspace and foundation contractor, we can help you. Tap the button below, get in touch with me and my team, and we'll see what we can do to help.